Hello guys, today in this video you are gonna learn how to build a WordPress website for your own business. We will follow different steps to complete this project. There are 11 steps. First of all, we have to work on domain, then hosting, WordPress installation, theme installation, plugins, used SEO plugin setup, host and pages, menu, Google Search Console, XML sitemaps, Google Analytics. So let's get started. I hope this video will be really helpful to you to start your new business. First of all, you have to choose a domain for your online exposure. You can choose your domain from Namecheap. So go to Namecheap. From here you can buy your domain at cheaper rate. You have to search your domain name. For example, xyz.com, and then you have to search. Thus you can buy your domain from Namecheap. Just click on this button, add to cart. After buying your domain, you have to have a hosting. For example, if you want to build a house, then you must have a land. So hosting is exactly same as the land. You can also buy hosting plan from Namecheap. Just click on hosting section, shared hosting, and then you can select any plan from this section. I prefer this popular section. This is 2.44 bucks per month, and you will get 50% off on first year, and you will get unmetered SSD, unlimited website. You can host unlimited websites in this hosting plan, and auto backup will also be available here. And you can also get domain name. Your annual hosting plan comes with one domain name offer, so you can get one new domain with this plan without any cost. So we have already the domain. Here is the domain. I will work on this domain, Digital Coupon Club. After buying the domain, a mail will be sent from Namecheap, and you will get the DNS information for the domain. To add the DNS, click on Manage. In this section, you will get Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. Basically, you will get this section as default. Then you have to select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, as we are using the Namecheap hosting with Namecheap domain, so we have to use Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. If you don't buy the hosting plan from Namecheap, then you have to use custom DNS, and you have to input the custom DNS that has already sent to your mail from the hosting provider. Now we will select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, as we are getting the hosting service from Namecheap itself. Check this one to save it. It's done, and the DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect. And I have the hosting plan as well. When you buy a hosting, a detailed information will be sent to your mail address with the login credential of your cPanel. This is the cPanel dashboard of Namecheap. We will add the domain using this option, add on domains. Type your domain name. For example, my domain is Digital Coupon Club, and subdomain will automatically generated here, and just click on add domain, and thus the domain will be added in this section.